Getting started with GoldenMatch. In the next few minutes, you'll go from install to fully deduplicated data. Let's dive in. Open your terminal and install GoldenMatch with pip. It pulls in polars for fast data processing and rapid fuzz for string matching. That's all you need to get started. Before deduplicating, profile your data. Run GoldenMatch profile with your CSV file. This scans every column and shows you the data types, unique counts, null rates, and what GoldenMatch auto-detected. It's a quick sanity check before matching. Now run the dedupe command. Point it at your file, and GoldenMatch does the rest. It auto-detects named columns, emails, phone numbers, and addresses. Then it picks the best scoring method for each column type. The output is two files, a clusters file mapping duplicates, and a golden records file with one clean canonical record per group. For more control, create a YAML config file. You can specify exactly which columns to match, which scoring methods to use, set weights, choose your blocking strategy, and set the match threshold. Then pass the config with the -c flag. This gives you repeatable, version-controlled matching pipelines. Or launch the interactive mode. The TUI lets you explore your data, tweak the config, browse match clusters, inspect golden records, and adjust the threshold with arrow keys in real time. It's the best way to understand your data before committing to a pipeline. From here, you can go further. Use GoldenMatch Match to link records across two different files. Use GoldenMatch Sync for live database deduplication. Add LLM scoring for borderline pairs. Or enable privacy-preserving mode to match records without sharing raw data. Check the docs on GitHub for the full guide. Happy deduplicating!